Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Thursday, November 18th, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. Want to get right into the S&P. We might even talk a little bit about another stock there, Rivian, but here was our morning alert this morning sent out to our subscribers. And here we go with the direct hits again. We had a target of 46.73, and that was our chart on the 17th. There's our targets. 46.73 was the ideal 50% retracement of this rise up, and the S&P hit 46.72.78 within 2/10 or 18/100ths of a point of our actual target. And you can see there we are. There's 46.73, 46.72.78. We're going to allow for a move further down to 46.63. We will get into those details, but our subscribers are getting this information in advance. And if you guys want, you can get the subscriptions we offer there, annual, monthly, and video. The details are there. And also, I want to show you guys our disclaimer and our awards over the years with Timer Digest. There you go there. And last but not least, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, hitting the alert reminder bell and the like button, and it's down there. I'm sure you'll see it if you look for it down there. Let me get rid of this for good. There we go. Okay, so let's look at the S&P here. We are long against the 11-1 low right here, 45.95, I believe it is. And we'll just count that out for you guys, that 5-wave advance, if I can get that on there, because I want to show you guys what we got after that. There's the 11-1 low. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, and there's 5, into what is currently the all-time high on November 5th at 47.18. We can look at the correction from there, and we'll take that retracement, and as you can see, it was just below or just more than a excuse me, a Fibonacci 618 retracement, ABC with a 535. We can see that better on a smaller chart. This is a 1-hour chart. Let me erase that. Then from there, from that November 10th low, we've got a 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, and 5 up. Let's get the retracement targets there, and here's the retracement. There we go. You can see that went right on the 50%. This is where we're allowing for a move down to 46.62, which is the 618. If that holds, then we should see a move first above this high on the 16th of 47, basically 47.15 is 47.14.95, and then above the November 5th high at 47.18.50. Once we go above that high, then we'll move our make or break from down here to here. You could also call that a stop loss for you traders out there. We'll keep moving that up, and then once this market retraces more than 100% of a 5-wave decline, that'll be our first signal that it's obviously retracing more than the last 5-wave decline. But if this holds, let's see what we get here. Let's do a Fibonacci extension. Let's say it either goes down to the 618, but this low holds and it goes up, breaks this high. Okay, so what can we look for in the near term? A Fibonacci extension of this 5-wave rise here. 1-to-1 target gives us a 47.58, and a 1.618 gives us a 48.10. So that's what we're looking at. Again, we have our parameters to the upside and the downside. Near term, we're looking for this low to hold. If not this low, then a move above the high here at 47.15, and then a move above the 47.18 high on November 1st. Conversely, a break below this low right here, the 11:10 low of 46.30, would be the first sign that this is over, and then the next one will be the 11:1 low, which we are long against, and I may have taken that out of the picture. There it is, and I believe that's 45.95. So that's what we're looking at there. I think we have that pic of it there. There it is. That's from yesterday. That's what we're looking at. There's that 11, excuse me, that 11:10 low of 46.30. That's a make or break to the downside to keep the bull count. And then the 45.95 is on the larger trend, make or break to keep the bull count. Okay, there we go with that. Let me see if I don't think I have anything else. I want to show you guys, yeah, this smaller time frame. You can see from that high we have the A, B, C, and then we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the A, B, C there. This could still go further. This could be. Let me see. We've got the full moon lunar eclipse, the longest one in over like 580 years since the 1440s coming up. So who knows what that's going to do to investors or traders, whatever. But that's coming up in the wee hours this morning, 1 a.m. Eastern. Longest one is going to last 3 or 4 hours. So we'll see what that does to traders. That's why I kind of wanted to put this out, give you guys upside and downside parameters, okay? So this is the most recent 5-wave advance. We're looking at a 10-minute chart from the November 10th low to the 16th high. Okay, this could be A, B, C, and over, and I'll show you guys that again. There was the A, B, C at 46.73. Okay, that could be over, or it could just be A of a larger A, B, C. Let me put those retracement targets out again. Okay, so we've got a better picture here. We'll match up retracements with Fibonacci multiples. Okay, as you can see, this small ABC terminated right there at the 50%. If that's A and that's B, then the larger C would go right by the 618. The 618 is 46.62, and C equals A at 46.65. And if C wants to do a 1.618, we have a 46.38 there, and that low again is 46.30. So we have all kinds of up and downside targets and make or break and confirmations, okay? So if this high holds and this low wants to go further, targets are 46.65, 62, and 38 with a make or break of 46.30 because it cannot retrace more than 100% of this 5-wave advance. All right, and then on the upside, we need to see a break of 47.15, and then 47, what was that, 18, and we would get our upside target again. I'll give that for you guys, and I'll get into that Rivian too. Let me get that extension here. There we go, and there's first wave up, and there's the next wave down, and once again, targets 47.58. 48.10. RIVN. We did this yesterday. We just did a quick one on that because it just opened and we saw perfect 5 waves. I drew these out from scratch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in red. Then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in red for wave 3. Then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 5. We did a Fibonacci retracement on that. Let me throw that in there. I'm going to look more now at the correction off of that first 5-wave advance. As you can see, there was the 382, there was the 50%, and the 618 at 127. It went just past that. Let's throw the 786 in there if we can. There we go. There's a 786 down at 113. As you can see, it's trading at 124, and the 618 was at 127. The previous 4th wave is a nice place for that to terminate. It's gone just below that. Obviously, a move below 95.48 blows the whole bull count out. Again, can't retrace more than 100% of this entire move. So we'll see where that goes. That's a good make or break point there, the 113.39 on the 786. And obviously, the bigger make or break is at the 95.48. Well, let's just say that holds. Let's see where this thing can go on the upside. People are thinking it's like the new Tesla or something. And who knows? It may be. It may go to zero. Who knows? Let's put it where it currently is. If that low holds, and that's a little conjecture at this point. But if that 120 low holds, if it breaks above 179, then we're looking at 204 for a 1-to-1 relationship. And let's pull this down, and a 255 for a 1.618. Okay, so again, your make or breaks are just like stop losses. So you got one here at the 786 at 113. If we go below, or it goes below 95, all bets are off, and we'll because it's a bear market off of that IPO back on, what day was that? The 10th. Yeah, this is a whole few days old, isn't it? Okay, that's all we have for today. We're looking at these parameters here for the S&P overnight with the full moon and the lunar eclipse. We'll see how that affects investors and traders. And until next time, take care, everyone.